would you like to do that? We're going to do something called
Fan meeting talaga itong perfect ano.
Okay?
Malapit lang kasi.
Here's what we're going to do. I'm sure
pero kapag nasa Araneta ka nakaganyan ko row 1, row 2,
Oo. Prepared a wish box event.
Mas maiging mag-side
for
doon.
all of you guys. Alright, so we have 5 wish boxes on the stage, and each box, of course, has various items inside. But one of them is no luck.
Mas okay dito mag-ano, yung sa, I mean mag-VIP ka, dito sa Frontier. Pag Araneta ka naka-VIP, hindi mo makikita yung tao. Maiging mag-side.
Yes, I actually picked a lot of figures, but you know, I think tonight is not the night.
Yes! Okay, I love that confidence. So each time you choose an event from the wish box, of course we're gonna find
wala akong nakitang fake na sa bra.
You don't get to it.
Belo fight na belo fight. Ay.
Belo ba talaga?
Yes, I'm ready.
We're gonna do 3. Well, we'll do 3. Let's choose the first one. Which one is your choice?
May gano'n naman talaga sila. Inom pa yan ng vitamins.
4, 3.
Oh, okay. Let's read it. Our first event. Oh, nice. We're gonna do Bosses Signed Poster. We're doing Bosses Signed Poster. We're gonna have 3 winners, right? 3 winners who we are gonna draw once again. If you are drawn, you can come on stage, okay? Because this poster will be signed on stage. On stage. By the boss himself. Nice. Okay. Let's pick 3 winners for this one.
Ayoko umasa.
By the way, this event in this segment, ginawa niya siya in the Philippines. This is a Philippine exclusive. Okay, so how awesome is that? Orchestra right, row 21, seat 2. Orchestra right, row 21, seat 2. You're very quick to say that.
Hindi mo na sold out.
Okay, Orchestra right, row 21, seat 2. Maybe we can go to the next one. Yes, next one. Okay. Orchestra left, row 20, seat 4. 44, sorry, 44. Orchestra left, row 20, seat 44.
Kahit ikaw man lang mabunot. Pang-picture na lang ko katabi mo sa post. Oh my God. Hindi gaya na.
Kay Rowan yun, di ko ina-expect na nalo ako.
Where are you?
Kay Rowan na.
Balcony center, row 1, seat 23. Balcony center, row 1, seat 23.
Buti hindi natin pinatos yung balcony.
Is there someone? Okay.
1K.
Yes, we have a winner. All right, come on down. That's 1. We have 2 more winners who will be joining us on the stage. Diamond Center, row 7, seat 31. Diamond Center, row 7, seat 31.
Seat 7.
Parang meron. The vibe is there. Okay. I think we do. Yes. All right. One more for the signed poster.
Row 9 tayo. Hi! Yako!
Congratulations. Come on down. Lodge left. Row 4, seat 31. Lodge left. Row 4, seat 31. No?
Yes! VIP! VIP!
Okay, all right. Our third poster goes to Diamond left, row 10, seat 44.
Oy! Right ako.
Diamond left, row 10, seat 44. Congratulations, guys. All right, our 3 winners for the signed poster of Flex X Pop. Talagang get up close and personal with the boss himself.
Never talaga ako nabunot sa ganyan.
Ako rin, never. Ayun kay Chan. Ay, dasal mo kay Chan na. Kuya talaga.
Ang kinaya lang ng powers ko talaga yung napanood ni Kim Soo-hyun yung ano ko, video greet. Yun lang. Ay! Face to face pang iaabot. Mas winner pa sa winner ng naunang raffle. Ayok mag...
Lee Jong-ki! Waikiki! Lee Jong-ki!
Thank you.
Naririnig ba?